When my husband cheated, I felt lost. The pain and anger consumed my heart. When I saw this message, I paused. This is the ultimate mindset for women. Learn to live on your own. With or without love, stay independent. Success isn't everything, but growth is. No one will protect you forever. Only by loving yourself can you truly love others. Buy what you want for yourself. Don't rely on others to give it to you. Become confident and strong. No one will dare disrespect you. Keep your heart steady and calm. External chaos cannot shake you. Don't envy others or lose yourself. Don't dwell in sadness for long. Tears are not the answer. Action is. The only one you can truly rely on is you. In this life, you must live with yourself. Knowledge, financial stability, and inner balance. Be undefeatable and true to yourself. Feeling anxious or overwhelmed? Subscribe to find peace. Meditation opens the door to calm. Embrace balance and clarity each day. Click the next video to begin your practice.